Internet. In this video, I am going to review Zernio or Zernio, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, um, which is a cool API to automate posting on social media. And in a previous video, we did generate a meme, a video meme, and something I'd like to do now is to post it in a programmatic way. Something I'm noting, because I've already explored a little bit the dashboard, of course. As you can see, I already explored a little bit the dashboard and actually managed to post on Instagram, it seems, in a programmatic way. But now I need to figure out how to post on X. So that will be our exercise now. Is like, okay, how do we post on X? And so in the landing page, it doesn't indicate it, but there is actually a TypeScript SDK. Like if you go in the landing page, it just shows a fetch, but actually I think it'd be better to make use of the SDK because Claude Code then will have less, will be more able to consume this API. It will be easier for Claude Code to consume this API. So basically, I'm going to create yet another key. I'm going to call it Claude Code bis, because I already have one. Let's copy the key. And basically, I'm going to create a new .env.local. I'm going to say Zernio API key or Zernio API key, Zernio, and I'm going to initialize POM. Okay, so we just initialized POM, and in here, basically, we will tell Claude Code to automate it. So actually, I'm going to take a look at the Node.js SDK. Let's see if there are grids, maybe with grids. Yeah. So I'm going to tell, okay, use this page in order to post this video with caption, the one from Instagram. Let's take it. Okay. To my X account only. So yeah, that's the test. If Claude Code manages to do it, of course, it would just be perfect. I give it, and maybe there are better ways actually to give it some context. Actually, I can see copy for AI in here. I probably should have used it, but yeah, cool test to figure out whether it's capable of posting it directly to social medias is that, well, you can just prompt Claude Code to do it, and it manages to do it fine. I just a little bit earlier, I had some issue where it only posted the text on X and not the image, the video actually. So that's something to note that I didn't prompt it correctly, I believe, but it didn't manage to figure it out. So actually, the Zernio API key is in .env.local, and the X account ID should be retrieved from Zernio SDK. Okay. So yeah, that will be my text. And so there are ways to work if you can just generate memes with Memelord, post them automatically with Zernio, or whatever it's the best way to pronounce it. And yeah, maybe I'm not sure about other use cases. Like, yeah, just a cool way for agents to submit things automatically. Like, also one thing I should check is for to use YouTube API, because like I find it very boring personally to have to like go through the interface to upload my YouTube videos. So having a nice API to do it, it's definitely something I'd like to do. Um, yeah, like just the fact that there are tons of APIs, like you could, it's not only for agents. Like let's say you've got a SaaS that leverages a lot social medias. Um, like it would just make sense to use such an offering, such a product. Like even for myself, I edit my videos a little bit. Like it's mostly about doing transcriptions and preparing the audio for YouTube. And like just having the ability to submit videos directly through the API, that's definitely something I will consider as um like as someone who's doing YouTube videos. I find it useful, but not only for that. Like even posting on Instagram can be painful at times. Um, so apparently it managed to post the videos. The only issue is that it used curl. So I'm going to tell it my proper use of TypeScript actually, and install the SDK to give me um, a way to reproduce it. Okay, and let's see if it managed to submit my post with video. Yes, it worked. Okay, so it's perfect. This SaaS works just fine. Let's take a look at the pricing. Let's see if it's reasonable, because if so, I'm going to just pay for it. Um, yeah, it seems really reasonable. Like, yeah, it's definitely something I'll pay for. I didn't have major issues actually. Like, I just think it's Cloud Code who messed up. The onboarding was really like straight to the point. I don't have much to say beside the fact that it's almost perfect. Well, it's perfect. I don't have much to say. Besides the name, I don't I don't know whether I should say Zernio or Zernio. I have no clue. Um, but maybe because I'm not a native English speaker. That's perfect, team. It will be very helpful for me in the future. I hope it will be helpful for you as well. And see you in the next video.